In this video, I'll detail how to fix not getting notifications on iPhone. So if you're not getting notifications on iPhone at all, it's different from not getting notifications on particular application on your iPhone. So basically here, I'm going to show you a workaround on how you can fix not getting notifications on iPhone. So this could be from Gmail, email, from WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, or your Snapchat account. So if I don't know this video, you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing to do when you want to fix not getting notifications on iPhone is go to your iPhone settings. Then on the settings page, you just need to scroll down like this and then click on notifications. Once you click on notifications, scroll down and locate notifications tab. Under notifications tab, choose the application you want to receive notifications from. So here, let's say I want to receive Facebook app notifications. Click on that. Then make sure this notification is turned on. If this is disabled under Facebook notifications, you'll not be able to receive Facebook notifications on your iPhone. Then turn this on. Then once that is enabled, come here and enable sound. If sounds is disabled, enable this. So after that, scroll down and tap Facebook notification settings. Then you'll be taken to the Facebook notification settings straight on your iPhone. Then if you see much put notifications enabled, go ahead and disable this. So disable this. Then come down to what notifications you want to receive and then customize this based on your preference. You see that? So if you want to receive tags notification on your Facebook, just click on tags and then choose friends or anyone or friends. So this depends on your preference. Then if you want to receive SMS, turn on SMS as push. Where you receive the notifications, SMS, turn this. To receive Facebook notification as SMS. If you want to receive Facebook notifications as push, turn this on. So once you satisfy again, hit the back button to go back to the notification settings. Then click on comment. Then again, customize comment based on your preference. Then come down to more activities about you. Customize this as well. So once you're done with Facebook, go back to the iPhone settings. Then under notifications, select another application whose notification you want to receive. Let's say Instagram. Then turn on allow notifications and then check sound. Then after that, scroll down and tap Instagram notification settings. This is going to open your Instagram notification settings from your iPhone. Then here, customize the notifications based on your preference. If you want to receive notifications for messages on Instagram, just click on messages. And here, under message request, check on messages from individual and group chat, enable. Message reminders, enable. Group requests, then check this based on your preference. And then once you're done with Instagram, repeat the process on all the applications here. And once you're done, come back to the iPhone settings. Then scroll down to the apps page. Then locate application whose notifications you want to receive on your iPhone again. So here, let's say the Gmail notifications. Click on Gmail. Then come to notifications and click on that. Then here, make sure you turn on allow notifications. So once turn on allow notifications, you can then come down here and make sure you enable sound. If you want to change the Gmail notification sound on your iPhone, just scroll down and tap Gmail notification settings. Then you'll be taken to your Gmail notification settings. Then you can see email notifications, check it, and make this primary. Is that? Then come down to notification sound and click on that. Then choose the notification sound you want to set here. So, and hit the done button. So whenever you have a message on your Gmail or email, you'll be notified that there is a message waiting for you. So this is how you can easily fix not getting notifications on iPhone. So if you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.